So guys, the clothes are finished. The most important thing. Hey! The most important thing is there. This is the most. You're back from school. School runs. Where? We are going to go move. Come and say hi. Back from yeah. So guys, let's unbox. Let's unbox. Oh, just say to your name. Yay, you have to carry it. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. 1.5. You go to okay, I can't take none. Come. Spin. Sarah. Hey, see. Don't you like to unbox? You're unboxing that time. Hey. Unboxing the seats, don't you like That's it. Don't chance na ready. What's up? The clothes. Wait. Hey, hey, Oga Kweba. No, leave there. Don't leave there. No. I'm very sure. My favorite color. No again. Make some white. More second, but not pink. So I see. Oh. I see Jimmy. Good day. See clothes. Oh, sorry. Say it's not good one. Hey, think sun is fine. Hey. Heather. Hey. Fine color. Oh yeah. This girl try you. Yeah. So guys, this is the happiest moment of my life. Like I can't even express myself. The love is massive. The love is massive. Oh, see these two pieces of clothes. I love these clothes. Like Udochukwu will not allow me to do video in peace. This boy was when I was unboxing, he too like unboxing, and he's disturbing me. So I was unboxing this particular um package, and this boy threw out the video. So in fact, I'm doing voiceover because of him. So this is the two pieces of clothes, blue and pink, my two favorite color. My two favorite color. I like the clothes. So guys, stay tuned. I'll show you guys when I will wear the clothes and show you guys the fitting. So that you guys will see the fitting of the clothes on my body. This boyfriend Jean, I love it so much. See me now. Who am I? If I should wear this one, second, say. Hi. Oh my word. Oh my word. Hmm? All thanks to my gifter. I so much appreciate you. May God bless you. You will never lack. You will never lack. So this particular clothes, I think is small but it's stretching. It can enter me. He said is what's it calling it? Crop top. But it's not crop top because it's stretching. So guys, Amara just came back at the moment when I was unboxing, and she was very happy for me as well. The house was filled with joy, including my boy. It's just that it did not allow us to do video in peace.
This is the most. This is the most important thing. Guess what is here, guys? You won't believe. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. You know what is here? I believe it. Calm down, calm down. No, calm. My heart is beating so fast. I am proud. Papa, thank you. Oh, this is. Oh, so. I don't know. Level Pro Max. Wait. I wait now. Wait. With better pack, oh, not be anyhow pack. This pack na 5,000. Calm down. Gig. 250. Like, guys, this is my dream. This is my dream phone. I know others will be saying 13 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, 15. 11 Pro Max. Okay. That one is 11 Pro. Yeah, 11 Pro Max. Oh, Jesus. Different. 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro now. Jesus. Pro is the shortcut. Okay, Pro Max is different. After 11 Pro Max. After 11 Pro Max. After 11 Pro. After 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. Now, this one is big. 11 Pro Max na keep. Let me on the phone. How are you getting the phone on? Or why before they come to Nokia? Yes. So, like, simple now. Oh, nice. I know it. I saw iPhone. No, it's not. Wait. This is half plot of land. Come on. Jesus. Oh my God. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you for me. I like iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hey, Jesus! I have arrived. We have arrived. You see this YouTube? Hey, we have arrived. We have arrived. Where is sharp? Guys, we have arrived. You see this YouTube? No going back. No going back. Jesus. This is the. Let me tell you, since I know something. This is the highest, highest gift. What the fuck? Like this is the highest, favor shower of blessing I've gotten ever. Jesus. You are. I can't even express. Hey, the receipts. Chidimma. Guys, see my name. See my name. See my name. Latest iPhone owner. Latest iPhone owner. Hey, latest iPhone owner. Oh my word, oh my word. at this at this point I was so emotional. Mm. More I was so surprised, shocked, and all thanks to my gifter. May God bless and protect the gifter. The gifter will never lack. Oh my word. Oh my word. So now iPhone owner. Oh, I'm so happy. This YouTube field that we are in. I have arrived, guy. So my lovely people, if you have watched this video up till now, may God bless you. Thank you for always choosing to support me by watching my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to subscribe to video. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Thank you and God bless you for watching. Hey, the pouch Amaka. The pouch Amaka. Big girl 5. Jesus. Oh. Hey. Oh. This is now. And it's very bright. I'm not fast. Even I move. I give photo. Jenny, man, I get hold my car phone. He said to auntie, say congrats. Say auntie, congrats. You like the phone? Hold on. Don't you have been crying? You want to feed the phone? Everybody is happy. He wants to be happy too. Right. Goody. See myself. See Udochukwu. See Udochukwu. See Udochukwu. Jesus, the good phone in Kanjinaka the kai phone ever. Jesus. What the kai phone? Hi.
Many hours later.
So the new phone needs SIM card. I rushed to the nearest MTN office and get a SIM card for the phone. This is where I got the SIM card from, and here is the phone. Oh, hi. Even up till now, I'm still so happy. In fact, words can't even describe how happy I am and how I feel. To be sincere, I wasn't